Hello dear students, in today's class we will study putting political theory to practice. Dear students, in this book we will study one part of political theory that deals with the origins, meaning and significance of political ideas such as freedom, equality, citizenship, justice, development, nationalism, secularism, and so on. So these are the point, these are the issues, these are the things which are thought to be known by every citizen. When we indulge in any debate or any argument with others, then we very promptly ask different questions regarding these topics, these ideas. We frequently ask what does politics mean, or what is equality? Is equality given to everyone, or how does it mean matter? And other questions also, like is the government doing well, or the policies framed by the government are sufficient to help the poor in their lives. So these are the questions which deals in political sphere. And in fact, one more prevalent issue is regarding equality. No doubt equality is given to everyone, every citizen of India, by the Constitution of India. But still we feel that there must be something in addition to ensure the equality of the people in real life. Unlike mathematics, where the definition of everything is fixed, we had a number of definitions, we have a number of definitions given by different political leaders, political organizations for each of the point dealing in political theory. So what happens? This is because terms like equality concerns are relationships with other human beings rather than the things. Dear students, equality deals with the relationship of humans with other humans, and that's why we find that all the humans in society have different rights, have different type of equalities. Let's have some common example of our daily lives. Suppose suppose you are standing in the queue in front of the counter of a shop to buy your article, and everyone who is coming on that shop is following the same and standing in the queue behind you. But someone comes and did not follow the queue rule and went on the counter directly and tried to purchase his articles. And if the shopkeeper refused that person and tells him that stand in the queue, then we feel happy. And we feel that he did not follow the rule, that's why he is refused. And we feel happy. But if that person anyhow managed to purchase his desired article without following or without falling in the queue, then we feel cheated and think that is this equality, or that person have particular rights. No, and think that even today equality in every sphere is not achieved, and think that something more in addition must be done to ensure that equality in every sphere of life for every person, even for the poorest of the poor. And on the same time, we see that some special counters for the disabled people and elderly people are set by the same shop. Then we feel it is quite justiciable because those counters are for some different people. So, what is this? Here we compromised with our equality because we thought that it is quite good. So, the definition of equality here varies with the experience of humans. But we also notice every day that many poor people who could not go to the shop to purchase their articles, to purchase their necessary articles. And there are a number of people who could not send their children to schools so that they may get proper education. And we also observe that there are some persons in the society who are enjoying everything, who are very easily achieving their targets, doing their prosperous jobs, but while others are far away from basic necessities. Then we feel something must be done to ensure the equality in the society. So these are the questions which are occurring in our mind day to day. Consider that the fact there are many children who cannot go to school, as I told you, because they have to work to feed themselves. And most girl students, one more live example for you from the daily life, we notice that there are some poor families who are working day and night for earning livelihood for their families, and the girls in those families are not sent to schools, and if sent, then they are pulled back after some time, and they are told to do their household works, and the girls from such families are told to look after their younger siblings when their parents are on their work. Then we feel that Indian constitution guaranteed equality to everyone. Even today, the people of poor people are not enjoying the same equality. Then we feel government must do something more to achieve that equality. Thus, you may see that our idea of equality is quite complex. When we are in queue or playground, we want equal opportunity. That's why we can say the idea of equality is quite complex. When we are standing in queue or we are playing some game, then we want equal chances, equal fair chances, equality in every sphere. But when we suffer from some disability, or we are old enough, then we want to have some special status, we want to have some special provisions for ourselves. So the idea of equality varies here. We must be enabled to go to school or get help through proactive measures such as fair distribution of resources, jobs, decent wages, subsidized hospitals, etc. This requires that some agencies be made responsible to ensure fairness. And we feel that some agencies must be framed and which must be responsible for making equality in the society and provisions for the poor, so that the poor, the downtrodden persons may get equality and they may take proper jobs, decent wages, and they may also get access to subsidized hospitals. So the reason we have many definitions is because the meaning of equality is depend on the context. We start with that it means for ourselves and then proceeds to consider others, the poor, disadvantaged, senior citizens, etc. We discovered many layers of meaning. We have been doing political theory without realizing. Dear students, the idea of equality, definition of equality can be given in different conditions. That's why there may be different definitions for the idea of equality. When we give the definition of equality, we start from ourselves. First of all, we put ourselves and then we think for others, think for poors. That's why definitions are different. Political theorists clarify the meaning of political concepts by looking at how they are understood and used in ordinary languages. They also debate and examine the diverse meanings and opinions in a symmetric manner. When is equality of opportunity enough? When do people need special treatment? For and how long should such special treatment be given? Should the poor children be given midday meal to encourage them to stay schools? So, dear students, political theory clearly clarifies that political concepts, by looking at how they are understood and used in ordinary languages, they also debate on some questions, on some examines that when equality of opportunity must be enough, when how far and how long such special treatments be given, as there are some special treatment. Suppose first of all special treatment for the reservation categories was given for 10 years, then it was increased again and again. Then it is observed by practical approach that for how long such treatments must be given to a particular category or particular people. Should poor children be given midday meals to encourage them to stay in schools? These are some questions which they address. As you can see, these issues are eminently practical. They provide guidelines for framing public policies on education and employment. Dear students, these are the questions which help the politicians, help the government to think practically and frame the policies which may be proved for the may be proved beneficial for the poor. And by doing so, the government tries its best to provide basic and necessary things to the people who are unable to access basic facilities like education and employment. As in the case of equality, so also in the case of other concepts, political theories engage with the everyday opinion. Like equality, political theory, politics is also engaged with other points, other issues in day to day opinions. Debate possible meanings and trace out policy options. So, there are some other points also on which the daily debates, practical examinations are going on, and those issues are freedom, citizenship, rights, development, justice, equality, nationalism, and secularism are some of the concepts that will that we will discuss in the following chapter. So similarly to equality, some other points, some other concepts like freedom, citizenship, rights, development, justice, equality, these concepts we will discuss in the next chapter. So dear students, watch this video from the beginning till end, and if you have any doubt regarding any point, you can ask through the comment box. In next video we will discuss why should we study political theory. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.